If you want a great speaker that's small, compact, and wireless, but has some crazy, amazing features built into it, you gotta stay tuned and check out Sound Freak. So not only is the speaker here nice, small, and compact, but it also allows you to do many different things that a normal speaker doesn't allow you to do. The first thing is you don't have to have this plugged in. This is actually wireless. It does also include a USB-C to USB-C charging cable with it, which makes it nice, easy, and fastly way to go ahead and charge this up. But not only is this Bluetooth capability, so you can plug this into like your TV, you can connect it to your PC, your laptop, computer, your phone to be able to play sounds, music, or even TV shows directly off of this. But it also has one really cool feature that I'm gonna get to here in a second. The really nice thing is that you can also put this here against like a wall, a shelf, and then you can also turn on a nice little light in the back here and have it like a soft, a medium, or even a stronger light. Kind of give it that like ambient kind of look right behind it, which is great if you're putting it up close to like a wall or something like that, or using it as a night light with it too. Maybe you enjoy sound machines as much as my family does to kind of help you calm down and relax. This also has a sound machine built in. Let's take a listen. So this right here is a lot of different sounds that you can actually play through. You can actually just go ahead and hit the button right here. So it's like a little like creak kind of sound with it. Has some birds chirping with it, some crickets, some outside kind of sounds, some like storms. I love storms. They kind of put me to sleep. Let me know what you guys think about that right there too. Some nice, more rainish kind of sounds to it. Kind of like a fan kind of sound, and some kind of like, you know, those bells and everything else that you hear outside, right? So those right there are many different ways to go ahead and do it. You have this control panel on the top of it too, so you can actually turn on and off the light using this. And you can go ahead and choose your volume control. You can put on your snooze on here for 30, 60, or even 120 minutes where it's automatically going to turn off for you. And then you have your Bluetooth option on here to also select that with it too. And the speaker sounds that you get out of this right here are amazing. So let's take a quick listen. But that's not all. The crazy thing is that you can actually get two of these speakers right here and actually connect them together with it and have them play the same exact sound. So you kind of get like that surround sound kind of feel out of the speakers using the dual streaming software system that they have built in, which is really neat. I like that right there with it. But this is the Sound Spot 2 right here. This is by Sound Freak. If you guys enjoyed this video here, make sure you guys check out the description down below. I do have a link to this specific speaker. Also give it a thumbs up too as well. If you guys did enjoy this video, then YouTube knows to go ahead and show you more videos like this, even if it's not mine. But if you did enjoy my video, make sure you guys also hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.